Our self-directed software is perfect for those who need effective, research-based reading instruction, but who, until now, have lacked the time, knowledge, or resources to implement such a program. How does it benefit you, your child, or a loved one? Our self-directed software applies the same proven principles of literacy instruction that a professional educator would use with her students. Starting with foundational concepts and building up to the decoding of multisyllabic words, lessons are taught in a deliberate sequence to help ensure there are no gaps in your child's education. Over 10,000 vocabulary words are proven, defined, used in context, and then displayed with a picture to help students build vocabulary while they develop an understanding of the structure of words. A library full of fun, fictional passages for younger learners and interest-based nonfiction passages for older learners offer a practical way to transfer foundational reading skills to real reading content. Last but not least, the software includes educational games that make practicing skills entertaining and engaging. If strong literacy skills are your goal, and you need something that doesn't use up all the resources and time you have available, look into our self-directed software programs as the right solution for you.